Hey guys, so ignore the car that just went past. I'm going to pick up a vacuum cleaner. So basically, my friend sent me 2 pictures of the Hoover, and just got past some people. Now that's a bit awkward talking about Hoover when I'm going past people, but yeah. So it's being thrown away, I think, and from the images he sent me 2 images of it. It looks like a Hoover the One. Looks like a black one, maybe a blue one. I've only ever really seen the red one. I've never actually owned a Hoover the One. So yeah, I also think this is like infamously really bad of a vacuum cleaner. So hopefully it works. But yeah, so I'm going to pick it up now. Well, this isn't faked or anything. I mean, it would be too much to fake, I think. But so yeah, I'm gonna pick it up and I'll jump cut to when I am at the destination. So I'm now on the road that the vacuum cleaner should be on. I don't want to like film people in their houses and stuff. So but it should be around. Okay, so it should be around this corner. Or maybe not. Oh, it's there. It's right there. It's a Hoover. Oh yeah, it looks like a 1 power. But it's not, and there's also a rock. I'm gonna move in case he sees me. It's a zoom. It's basically the same thing. It has a plug on it, so you won't be able to test it. But I'm gonna look weird carrying something. It's not actually that heavy. Oh, I'll take it. Your vacuum cleaner's not mine. Thank you. It's very dusty. I think it's been in the shed. I don't think it's actually used. A bit loud, so I'm just gonna pick it up, take it back. Never seen one of these in person before, so pretty interesting. I could have said hi to Jason or something, but that's that. That's proof. This isn't like a fake thing or anything. Yeah, the Hoover Zoom. So I'll take this back with me and I'll grab just gone into the bush. Okay, so I've just gotten back with the Hoover. So let's have a look. The handle's gone sticky a little bit. So there. That's what it looks like. Filter access. Oh yeah. Let's see what the filter looks like in here. That's disgusting. Well, it's not actually. It's not bad. But it's dirty. Yeah, apparently these are notoriously bad. Bin release. Oh, it's that tiny little button there. Why is that? I just swear I saw a refurbishing sticker on it somewhere. Oh, there's a filter under here. Let's check that. Oh, press that and maybe it pulls open. Oh, it's here. It's there. That's bad. Since it's a pre-motor filter, it's caked in dust past the slurp. Smell burnt out, but oh god, the bin's almost gonna fall over. Well, it's got all of these features on it. It's definitely not a piece of crap. Actually, I don't know, I've never had one of these, but apparently notorious. It's got a release and everything. The hose is just weird, it's got like lumps on it and stuff. But I won't test it right now, but I'll test it in a bit, or maybe tomorrow. But yeah. So well, that filter's washable, so might be able to wash it. Yeah, Hoover Zoom. Well, it's basically the same thing. It's all in the bar, I think. Oh, that piece look right, but you know, actually, before I end this, okay, that's not okay. So I will need to take this off, but otherwise, feels like there is a belt on there, so might be okay. So that might be okay. So thanks for watching. And I'll edit this and upload it.